Hey guys, this is Judy from judinkanailart. Welcome back to my channel, and today I have another of my stamping nail art tutorial videos for you. This week I am finally joining into our weekly Facebook group, stamping group, and one of the reasons is of course because I am the host. But I also really do miss joining into this collab, so I try to participate as often as I can. I will make sure that I link for you everybody's video in the description box, and all the pictures of those who joined me for this collab will be at the end of my video as well. Today's theme is stars. I left the theme relatively open as long as there is at least some star design. Theme was really, it could be anything from just stars on the sky or some constellations or flags. So any designs that do have a star in them. I do hope that you will like this theme. If you do, then don't forget to thumbs up this video for me. And of course, if you are new here or you are coming from the other channels that joined me in this collab, then welcome. And I do hope that you will hit the subscribe button before you leave. Alright, I'm talking too much. I haven't filmed in a while. I had some pre-filmed videos, but I do hope that you will like this one. And if you have any questions or comments, just leave them for me in the comment section. So keep watching my tutorial. Thank you so much guys for being here today, and I will be back with some more soon. Thank you. Bye bye.